Monody On A Tea-Kettle by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Read by Frank Blissett. O Muse, who sangest late another's pain, to grief's domestic turn thy coal-black steed. With slowest steps thy funeral steed must go, nodding his head in all the pomp of woe. Wide scatter round each dark and deadly weed, and let the melancholy dirge complain, whilst bats shall shriek and dogs shall howling run. The tea-kettle is spoilt, and Coleridge is undone. Your cheerful songs, ye unseen crickets, cease. Let songs of grief your altered minds engage. For he who sang responsive to your lay, what time the joyous bubbles 'gan to play, the sooty swain has felt the fire's fierce rage. Yes, he is gone, and all my woes increase. I heard the water issuing from the wound. No more the tea shall pour its fragrant steams around. O goddess best beloved, delightful tea! With thee compared, what yields the maddening vine? Sweet power, who knowest to spread the calm delight, and the pure joy prolong to midmost night. Ah, must I all thy varied sweets resign? Enfolded close in grief thy form I see. No more wilt thou extend thy willing arms, receive the fervent Jove, and yield him all thy charms. How sink the mighty low by fate oppressed? Perhaps, O kettle, thou by scornful toe, rude urged to ignoble place with plaintive din, mayst rust obscure midst heaps of vulgar tin. As if no joy had ever seized my breast, when from thy spout the streams did arching fly. As if, infused, thou ne'er hadst known to inspire all the warm raptures of poetic fire. But hark! Or do I fancy the glad voice? What though the swain did wondrous charms disclose? Not such did Memnon's sister sable dressed. Take these bright arms with royal face impressed, a better kettle shall thy soul rejoice, and with oblivion's wings o'erspread thy woes. Thus fairy hope can soothe distress and toil. On empty trivets she bids fancied kettles boil. That was Monody on a Tea-Kettle by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Read by Frank Blissett.